This customer came into my shop when I first opened up 5 years ago and has been following me on social media ever since. And the mystery box vending machine where you can possibly win lighters keeps popping up on her For You page. So she came in today to see if she would win some lighters. What will the Gumball machines give her? Let's find out. Bottle lighter. Nice. All right. From 1940s, we have the Chem Manufacturing bottle lighter. Kaboom. American flag zipper. Let's go. I love seeing the excitement and my customers' reactions.